October 11th, Dos Gringos food cart construction progress. I got the fridge, portable freezer fridge today. Went ahead and cut out the opening for that. I had to make it bigger, at least width-wise and not necessarily lengthwise. I'm going to have to make a piece to go on the end there to cover up that old opening that I had cut there. Not a big deal. Took out the water tank, drained the disconnected the water lines from the water tank, drained the water lines, disconnected it from the water heater, drained that as well. Went ahead and I didn't have enough material for the new platform for the new fridge freezer, so I had to run out and get some material, so wasn't able to work on the platform. Cleaned up the shop a little bit, put up a new board for all the heavy calculations that got to be done for the cart. Yeah, this isn't an ordinary cart. This cart's going to the future. That's right, the future. So anyway, not a whole lot done today, just like yesterday and the day before and multiple days before that, but was a little bit of progress. Tomorrow, like I say, I'll be able to get that platform built, get the fridge in there, then I can establish the location of the upper water tower. I did buy some brackets for that because I'm going to have to support it under here on this side since I got so much weight that's going to be up in that tower, but I'm going to bolt it through on the other side as well. So I'll be bolting through the 2x2 over here into the top and then using those brackets on the other side to kind of support it. I'm thinking that I'm going to put all the batteries back here. Unfortunately, that'll be about 100 pounds of batteries on this back end. I don't know if that's going to balance out with the fridge freezer. That's 57 pounds. Then you're going to have the water tower up in the top there, propane tank down here, and then we're going to have that cutting board that attaches down on this end. Things getting pretty heavy real quick. Again, not a whole lot of work tonight, but hey, sometimes you got to go get materials. So that's it for the evening.